Farther versus further. It's grammar time. Farther and further are easily confused, but even though they sound similar, with a little bit of practice, you'll never mix them up again. So here's the easiest way to keep from confusing the two words. Farther is a measure of distance. So when you're describing how far away one thing is from another, you use the term farther. For example, the father hit the baseball farther than his 2-year-old son did. Shocking. Or, the distance between where I live and the sun is farther than I ever want to travel, and I hope it stays that way. Further expresses a measure of depth or degree. Use further when you're trying to indicate a greater degree of something. For example, I would like to examine that flying carpet further. Perhaps a little test ride? Or, upon further inspection, I won't be eating that moldy cheese. Ugh. You can prove mastery of the two words by using them in the same sentence. The farther I go into the jungle, the more I further my understanding of insects that bite. Ouch. Farther versus further. Now you're the expert.